punish you for your sins 7 times over. You will eat the flesh of your sons and the flesh of your daughters.
It's very graphic.
Kasar
My
banget.
initial thoughts, honestly, I feel a little bit numb, I guess.
Like, those are pretty harsh. There's no denying that.
Nah guys, jumpa lagi di Bang Jaka Channel. Kali ini seru banget guys. Jadi orang bule di luar negeri itu guys ya, dia membuat sebuah eksperimen guys, yaitu dia bakal membacakan Bible, dan Biblenya itu guys ya disampul dengan Al-Quran guys, kemudian dibacakan ke orang-orang di jalan guys. Nah reaksinya guys di luar dugaan guys. Jadi guys, reaksi orang-orang yang dibacakan ayat-ayatnya ya kan, mereka guys langsung guys mendiskriminasikan Al-Quran tersebut guys, karena dilihatnya itu Al-Quran, padahal guys isinya Bible guys. Ketika dibuka sampulnya, mereka guys langsung kaget banget guys. Yuk langsung aja guys kita tonton bareng-bareng.
My name is Vincent Valentine. I'm here in downtown Toronto. I'm asking some people on the street what they think about different passages I read to them from the Quran. Unknown to them though, it's actually the Bible. A few days ago, there was a video recorded in Europe that basically it did the exact same thing. So I just wanted to do the same video, but in North America, to see what our perspective would be on this, and if we still think that some of these old biblical texts have any place in Western society today. Punish you for your sins 7 times over. You will eat the flesh of your sons and the flesh of your daughters. If 2 men are fighting, and the wife of one of them comes to rescue her husband from his assailant, you shall cut off her hand. Look, here is my virgin daughter. I'll bring them out to you now, and you can use them and do to them whatever you wish. But as for this man, do no such outrageous thing. A woman should learn in quietness and full submission. I do not permit a woman to teach or to assume authority over a man. She must be quiet. If someone has a stubborn and rebellious son who does not obey his father and mother, then all the men of his town are to stone him to death. What are your initial thoughts after hearing those?
Well, obviously they sound very aggressive.
Obviously, they're very graphic.
Kasar
My
banget.
initial thoughts, honestly, I feel a little bit numb, I guess.
Like, those are pretty harsh. There's no denying that.
Woman saying you could have my daughter versus the husband.
Can't have the man.
Mode of thinking of women that, you know, they are essentially objects.
Obviously, you should take issue with things that are so hostile and so violent.
Stoning human beings is not how we want to live in our society, but it does remind me of the Old Testament.
A lot of the Bible passages are similar. I don't know about the cutting off at the hands of the woman's hands who's trying to help, but I know that there's similar passages.
Yeah, it sounds familiar to the Bible.
Well, to be honest, I do hear things in the Bible.
Ternyata guys ya, orang itu tahu juga guys ya, bahwasanya itu mirip dengan Bible. Jadi dia tahu kalau itu kayaknya bukan Al-Quran ya, dalam hati mereka guys ya.
It sounds a little bit scary sometimes too.
Even in the Bible, you know, Jesus outlines how to buy and sell slaves.
Like, the Bible kind of tries to put us on equal levels and have our own certain roles.
I think that they're kind of similar. I mean, in the Bible, it's less vulgar.
I do have a little surprise for you. All these heartwarming passages that I read to you today,
Gede.
they're actually in the Bible. They're actually the Bible. People, yeah,
Langsung
Yeah.
shock mereka guys.
I don't know. Yeah, that.
they're actually from the Bible.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Not surprised at all, actually.
Nggak terbayangkan guys ya, gimana kagetnya mereka itu guys. Tapi yang uniknya dari video ini guys ya, di saat kaget mereka itu belum habis guys, tiba-tiba ditanya apakah perjanjian lama atau isi ayat ini, apakah isi perjanjian lama ini atau ayat ini bisa diamalkan di era sekarang. Nah tanggapan mereka begini guys.
Do you feel like there's still a place in Western society for these old texts? Do you think that maybe we should move on from them?
That's a deep question. There's something to learn from, but we shouldn't be using them like law or even guidelines.
Especially these days, all it does is pretty much divide people unnecessarily.
There can be a place for religious texts, but I don't think that people should take things so literally.
But at the same time, this is painted differently. Let's just ignore these passages and follow the good one.
Nah gimana guys isi Bible guys, kaget banget kan? Jangan kamu guys, saya juga guys baru tahu guys, ternyata isi Bible ada yang kayak gitu guys ya. Kita juga kaget banget guys. Ternyata isi Bible kayak gitu guys ya, tapi yang dipiralkan itu beda guys ya. Bahwasanya kalau yang dipiralkan itu disebut agama kasih guys ya, tapi kalau isi ayatnya ada pula yang kayak gitu guys ya. Nah dari eksperimen tersebut ternyata ada yang sadar tahu kalau itu isinya Bible yang disampuli Al-Quran, tapi ada juga yang nggak sadar guys. Yang nggak sadar kalau itu Bible, mereka tuh guys langsung kaget guys ya, langsung terkejut banget kok bisa kayak gitu ya. Itu sangat mengerikan banget dia bilang. Bahkan ada yang merasa nggak nyaman ketika dibacakan ayat tersebut guys. Bisa jadi guys ya, ayat-ayat tersebut lah yang bikin orang Eropa itu sekarang ini guys, mereka itu mengalami krisis kepercayaan. contohnya di London aja guys ya. Jadi banyak banget, contohnya di Inggris. Jadi sekarang banyak banget gereja-gereja yang dijual, yang dialih fungsi gitu guys ya. Karena mereka itu mengalami krisis kepercayaan. Mereka itu banyak yang meninggalkan agamanya dan kemudian rata-rata mereka itu berbondong-bondong untuk masuk Islam guys. Apalagi sekarang-sekarang ini guys ya. Nah, bagaimana menurut pendapat kamu guys? Silahkan berikan tanggapan, sanggahan, opini, dan kritik di kolom komentar. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kita semua dan menambah ilmu baru guys ya. Oke, saya cukupkan video yang sampai sini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao. Informasi penting guys ya, sumber dari video ini dari channel Osman Lian guys. Jadi untuk video selengkapnya lebih mantap lagi guys, langsung aja guys tonton di channel Osman Lian guys.